follows for all Nine Inch Nails fans. After 8 p.m. tonight, after the Monday night feature interview,
Jim Gamble is someone that we've spoken to on this programme quite often. He's former...
Situation where that is accredited, so that a breeder needs to demonstrate that it's breeding.
Extend the list of righted politicians. But Michael Ignatieff, also the author of the Booker Prize shortlisted Scar Tissue, was persuaded in 2005 to return to his native Canada, become leader of the Liberal Party and run for Prime Minister.